Hello, in front of me I've got Bose QuietComfort Earbuds II. In this video I'll show you how to adjust preferences of your earbuds. In the beginning, make sure that your earbuds are connected with your smartphone and now go to Bose Music app. Go to Settings and Preferences. Now you can adjust self-voice between high, medium, low and off. You can adjust in-ear detection. And in the end you can adjust voice prompts. Also you can change its language. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.